So here's how you can create scroll to section, or rather say jump to section effect in Elementor. It can be created on anything like a button, image, or a text. So let's say you have a button over here and you want the user to navigate to this section upon clicking on that button. So here's how you can do it. Simply click on this button, and then in the link section, put a hashtag in the beginning and then give it any name. Next up, just copy this text, and then on this container, or you can say section, navigate to the advanced tab, and then in the CSS ID, simply paste it over there. Next up, just remove the hashtag from the beginning. This way, the scroll to section, or rather say jump to section effect, will be created in Elementor. Here's how it looks. I'll click on the download, and then it jumps to this section. So similarly, you can create the same effect on a text, on a button, or even an image. That's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit like if you find it helpful. Thank you.